हेलो बच्चे लोग, हाउ आर यू? Once again, your Dipti Nani is back with a new story. Today I am going to tell you a story of a thief. Many years ago, one day, one thief was caught for a very big robbery. When he was caught, he was taken to the court and he was given a very tough punishment and he was given the imprisonment for 10 years because he was to go to the prison for a very long time. He was asked by the police officer if he had any wish to be fulfilled before he goes to the prison. Would you believe what did the thief say? The thief said that he wanted to bite his mother's nose. Everybody was surprised hearing this weird sort of wish. And the police officer called his mother. When she came, he was about to bite her nose. At that time, the police officer asked him, why did he ask to bite his mother's nose? And at that time, the thief said that he had become such a big thief and he had reached this stage only because of his mother. Because when he was small, he used to steal rubber, sometimes pencil, sometimes some handkerchief in the school. And when he used to come home, the mother never scolded him or gave him any punishment or gave him any rebuke. You know what is rebuke? Rebuke means to tell somebody why you have done this. And he said that whenever he stole anything from school or anywhere, his mother always said, very good, okay, very nice my son. And she never stopped him. And if she would have stopped him, he would not have become a thief of first number. And everybody was surprised. But you think, was he right in doing this? Did you like the story? If you like the story, like, share and subscribe if you have not. And tell me one thing, what have you learned from the story? We learn from the story is that when anything is done wrong, for the first time, it should be stopped. And many times, your mother or your father might be scolding you if you do something wrong. And at that time, you feel very angry and you get irritated if mother or father scolds you. But always remember, it is for your good. Understand? So, think on this and always listen to your parents when they tell you when you are wrong to improve, or whenever they scold you or they give you any rebuke. So, bye till I come with a new story. Love you.